So in this reel, which I'm going to share with you, so this is my Sunday routine. Okay. So any of you can do this, whatever your Sunday routine is. You don't have to be like mine, but just put your Sunday routine in or do your Monday routine or whatever it is. Right. So in here, basically, step one is, you see me at the computer. I am going over my week, right? So you see me, there's a little pan over. And by the way, this video was like one of the quickest videos I've ever made in my life. Like seriously, it was so fast. I just set up my tripod, got some images, did my self-care, took a quick picture of my cat. So this was like a super fast one. I didn't put even a lot of effort into it and I got it done really quick. Okay. So basically, you see number one is my week. I'm planning out my week. Then I am setting out my clothes here. You see this? I'm setting out my clothes for the week. Then I'm doing my self-care. So I'm wrapping my hair. And then in a minute here, you will see, it's paused. What? Oh, why'd you pause? There it goes. Now you're going to see me doing my face mask, right? And then in the end, actually, and then you see me zipping up my little Grinch onesie, which is like my favorite thing that I wear right now. I cannot get out of that Grinch onesie. I'm sure my husband's like, "Can you put on some real clothes?" But I can't. That thing is so cozy and warm, and it's cute, and it's the Grinch. So I'm doing my self-care, and then number 4 is me on the couch with my cat. So this is and basically TV time with the hubby, right? So TV time with the hubby. So here's how you could use this.